So as you can see, the zipper has a long strap. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, or if you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow my page. Today we received gifts from our friend from Higher Sport, so thank you so much Mr. Sunny for the trust. I will be showing to you the Higher Sport shop in Shopee and also the actual products that I received from them. The wetsuit, it also comes along with a ziplock. This is still a medium-sized wetsuit. If you can see, very thick and well sewn siya. Maayo siya pagkatahi. It's very detailed. And the brand is Yalisi, but you will see it in the Higher Sports Shopee shop as Yupard. Here. Okay. So as you can see, the zipper has a long strap. This is for your convenience and comfort while wearing it, and you don't have anyone else to help you zip it. So pwede ra gyud kamo rin mag-zip-zip. Here. Alright. So I'll be wearing this later on, and I'll show you how fit it is. So this is the next product that we received from Higher Sport, and it's going to be their 3mm diving suit with long sleeves, full body sunblock wetsuit for water sports. If you order this from them, you will get a free diving socks that I'll be also showing to you later on. So it's available in black color only. It has sizes such as small, medium, large, and XL. Currently, it's 1,499 pesos for each wetsuit, and it's already at 50% discount. Okay? So, also free shipping because, of course, the price is already 1,499, and the discount for the shipping or the free shipping is available for those who will buy it for 249 pesos. This is the design. Material is 90% neodymium and 10% nylon. It's expandable and highly elastic material. Elongation is 150%. Smooth nylon blend fabric for reduced water resistance. Slim fit to keep the body warm, and zipper design for easy wear. High stretch fabrics bring you a comfortable wearing experience and efficient bounce, allowing you to move freely. And that's very important when you're diving, that you won't have any obstructions to move underwater. The back zipper is easy to put on and take off, and the longer drawstring solves the problem of the back being out of reach. Especially if you don't have anyone with you while diving, it's easy to reach because it already has a long zipper strap. Okay, the neat and meticulous sewing process is firm and beautiful, and it's not easy to crack. So, as I mentioned a while ago, their products are very durable. The 3mm thick double-sided laminated nylon stretch neoprene fabric can delay body temperature loss so that you can enjoy the water activities more. So remember, the water is very cold, especially when you're in the open water, in the sea or in the ocean. So wearing a wetsuit can both protect you from the coldness of the water or the temperature, and also the stings from the sea creatures like jellyfishes. So there are sizes that you can choose from in their website or in the Shopee shop. Don't forget, it's already available there. I'm excited to wear their wetsuit during my next dive. So I might be wearing this on our next diving trip. So I'll make sure to share my experience with you guys. All right. So once again, Higher Sport, they deliver very fast. So you can check higher.ph in Shopee. Thank you so much, Higher Sport, once again for the trust, Sir Sunny. They have given me before underwater flashlights and unsa pa to daghan na sila products na hatag nato. So thank you so much, Sir Sunny. And also the floating device, the life-saving device, they also gave that. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Love you. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't. Like and follow my page if you have not supported yet. And feel free to leave comments or questions in the comment section if you have any questions for Sir Sunny or about the products that I have vlogged today. So once again, please don't forget, Yupard at Higher Sport or higher.ph in Shopee. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye! Happy diving! Keep safe!